Hello everyone, today we are comparing two latest smartphones, the Nokia 3210 and Nokia 235. Let's see this full video. First compare the body features. Next compare display features. Nokia 3210 comes with 2.4 inches TFT LCD display, and the Nokia 235 4G comes with 2.8 inches TFT LCD display. Hardware features. Both Nokia phones are powered by the Unisoc chipset and the same hardware features. Let's compare the camera features. Both Nokia mobiles come with 2 megapixel rear camera. Let's compare the battery features. Both two mobiles come with Bluetooth 5.0. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.